The most famous reindeer of all. Charles. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to another week in my life. So today we're starting with a big bang. A little clue you can already see in the background. So basically Mercedes was kind enough to host us for a small getaway almost. So to start off, we're here at the showroom and then we're going to be going to Karjat. I'll give you more details about that whole aspect, and of course we're going to be going in a Mercedes. So let's get started with today's vlog. So we are finally here at the showroom and I have this beautiful car right here. This is called the GLC and I think this is one of my favorites, not only because of its color. I love the color, the red is so beautiful, but I also really like the fact that it's like a crossover, like it's in between like a sedan and an SUV. I really like that. Thank you sir for interrupting my shot. I was shooting I was shooting and Adi's like पीछे से जाके साहिल बैठ गया.
We should start living together. हम रोज मिल रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
I know, right? So मैंने notice किया कि there's like a wave, you know, like last to last year also when
October में
there's a wave where we like meet back to back, which is a good thing for events or just like in general.
You know what? Now I feel like an influencer after 2 years. कि कपड़े नहीं है पहनने के लिए, but events बहुत आ रहे हैं एक के बाद एक. So like
good problem to have, I would say.
Good problem to have, true.
Hi guys, so we're having a fab time here. I think Aditya though is having a gala time here because anyway he's so fond of cars and especially Mercedes, so he's really having a good time. So I forgot to mention to you guys that we are here at the Landmark showroom in Thane, which is by the way the greenest showroom in the region and also one of the largest with the 3S facility, and there are a total of 5 Mercedes-Benz authorized service centers in Mumbai. Okay, so an OOTD is a must because I love my outfit today. I'm going to give you like a cute 360. So my jeans are from Zara. My shirt, my very cute shirt. I'll tell you more about it hopefully soon. Then this bag also is actually from Zara. I have the same one in red and I love it. My shoes, my white sneakers are from Hill Road. I don't know if the Hill Road haul is up yet or not. You can check it out if it is. And उसके अलावा basic jewelry है सब तो Amazon का ही है. So yeah, this is what my outfit looks like. Mansi Mao doing the most. Bichara, he's trying, don't say that. See, he's on his knees for you already. We are on our way. We're going to Karjat for our brunch, Sunday brunch. We're seated in a Mercedes EQC, which is by the way an electric car, which is fabulous. I'm here with the boys and Mansi आगे बैठी है because she has a little bit of motion sickness, but tease कर रही है अभी. But the ETA is, I think it should be 1 hour 15 minutes at this point, so not too bad. I think I'll check in with you guys once we reach the location. So we thought we should just sit and chill. We've ordered, she's ordered a iced tea, I've ordered some green tea. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna answer some questions. मैंने ऐसी story डाल दी Instagram पे, तो ऐसे random I'm just gonna pick like 5 questions and we'll just answer those.
Quick. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, the first one being, are you guys buying a Mercedes?
Yes guys, not one, but 2. One for her, one for myself.
No, we're not buying a Mercedes. She just bought a new car. I also
man.
just bought a car. And anyway, we're here for the event. They very kindly invited us for like a getaway. Like, when are you guys planning a vacation and going like a tour?
We are trying to go in December. Repeat.
Yeah? Even I didn't know this. ये कब हुआ? Really?
We were discussing in the flight we should celebrate the New Year together and
Oh
stuff.
yeah. Okay then yeah,
But
we
it
might.
won't be a trip outside India or like even
Yeah.
outside Mumbai. It has to be in Mumbai.
Yeah, because my parents are very ये कि New Year के time पे you can't go
Same,
anywhere.
same. And मेरे घर पे पूजा होती है 1st January every
Correct.
year. तो मुझे घर आना पड़ता है. So
तो देखते हैं, बट करेंगे पक्का. अब तो करना है ही. The next one is not a question, but it is show us a close-up of your rings, your matching rings.
Rings. This one and this one. I should keep it.
If you guys don't know what this is, these are our
Promise rings.
matching BFF rings.
You should watch my vlog for that.
I'll link it down below. Tell us like about each other, one quirky thing that you like about each other. ऐसे कुछ तो quirky that's like I do or you do. I already have the answer.
हाँ बोल फिर, क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
Am I not quirky?
Quirky को फोन. Yeah, exactly. Quirky को फोन बोल.
मैं बोलूँगी कि मानसी माऊ. पहली बात तो शी टॉक्स इन बीच में उसका जेंडर चेंज हो जाता है. बीच में उसका मेल जेंडर आ जाता है.
Only
Pronouns, only when while talking in Hindi.
Yeah.
And then also she has like an accent, airport accent बीच में आ जाता है उसका fake.
She has this habit of like, should I say this?
Yeah.
Like we are having a conversation with somebody, she would start pinching me. कहाँ से? तूने सुना? And I'm like, yes, Maddie, I'm listening, but don't make it so obvious. तो like बहुत हम लोग ऐसे ना, like we have ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं?
Eye contact,
eye language. What are the languages? No, different languages. हम दोनों को ही समझते हैं. Yeah, Maddie is very good at that. मेरे को समझता नहीं. She gives me some and then I'm like, oh, I understand.
मतलब when people are talking, like in general, people are talking. There are so many things that people say that they don't want to give off, but we can sense it, and then I'm like, did you hear what
he said, what she said?
Yeah. So I guess that's not quirky about me, but whatever, I'll let it slide. तो अभी हम क्या करने वाले हमें नहीं पता, but
काफी हेक्टिक अभी लग रहा है.
काफी थकान लग रही है क्योंकि मैं भी कल 3 घंटा सोई हूँ, ये भी आई थिंक 4 या 5 घंटा ही सोई है. So we're going back home now, back in our original spots, and we're just very exhausted.
We are very exotic. Feeling so exotic.
Anyway, 2 घंटा लगने वाला है because we've left a little bit late and probably हमें traffic मिलेगा, which is fine. Probably मिलेगा ही, traffic मिलेगा ही. So yeah, that's what's happening, and if something ends up happening, something exciting ends up happening, you guys will know. I just invented a life hack which is amazing. Mansi, vlog for me. तो कभी गर्मी लगे तो ऐसा शर्ट को ऐसे करना,
स्लीव लेना और अंदर हवा डालना.
AC वेंट के ऊपर, AC वेंट के अंदर, you will feel it directly
in your underarm.
Everywhere. Amazing.
2 hours later.
We are back home and transformed into our comfy selves.
Don't show my clothes. This is a horrible, bizarre combination I'm wearing.
Hey, you're wearing ski-on. What do you mean?
अरे combination. This इसके ये नीचे checkered नहीं जा
अच्छा लग रहा है.
This is the one we bought from Bandra, right? Familiar लग रहा है.
Welcome to the next day. So today we are going to Jio Drive-In. So basically Jio का mall भी खुला है नया, and they have this drive-in feature which is very like a Western concept. Like I don't think मैंने कभी इंडिया में देखा है personally.
बहुत पहले था.
ओके. मैं पर्सनली कभी भी नहीं गई हूँ इन जनरल भी. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. इट्स ऑन द टेरेस एंड देव लाइक सेट अप लाइक अ ह्यूज स्क्रीन एंड यू कैन टेक योर कार्स देयर, एंड इट्स पर कार के हिसाब से बुकिंग है. कितना था 1 कार का? 1500 रुपीज, एंड यू कैन गेट 4 people in the car. Yeah, you can get 4 people in 1 car. We've booked 2 slots, 2 cars के, because we are, how many are we? 7, yeah. So as usual, शिखर is late. हम बहुत कट टू कट पहुंचेंगे probably, या फिर लेट भी पहुंचेंगे. मुझे वहाँ पे जाके बैठना था, थोड़ा चिल करना था. By the way, हमने 7 o'clock का slot लिया. There are 2 slots available so far, 7 o'clock and 11:30 or 10:30. And we've been trying to actually book for a while. मुझे काफी दिनों से book करना था, but it's sold out for like days consecutively. So finally we got today's slot. It's a Tuesday. It's an odd day, but we were like मिल गया तो let's just go. हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो गया छोटा सा. आगे से भी टच हुए अपन?
नहीं रे,
आगे
से नहीं हुआ. मैंने इस पे ब्रेक मारा, ये पीछे से डाल दिया
रिक्शा ने. We are here. First impressions.
Really nice.
Very well made, and they've like done like a full like retro vibe, like जैसे drive-in हुआ करते थे, like how we used to see it in movies. That's how they've done it. We're here. We got the seat which is called C8, which is literally एकदम ही आगे. I think सबसे best seat होगा B row में या फिर A row में. Actually नहीं, you know what now?
Nice.
Yeah, this is perfect because like it's not too close to your face. It's perfect. I'll show you. Let me actually flip the camera and show you. So this is us in the car, and then this is the screen right here. The camera is doing absolutely no justice, but it looks actually fab. काफी settle हो गए हम, as you can see. How's your experience so far?
Very nice.
Pretty good, yeah.
But very hot.
Very hot, I know. This is us right here. So a few tips from me. First one being that probably carry like a chatai or a chaddar or something for you to sit on, a chair. I saw some people beanbag. I saw some people carrying those camp chairs होते हैं ना जो foldable होते हैं. That is pretty cool. If you have that, you can carry that, and then carry some food घर से. Don't buy food from here. It's very expensive. I think one like samosa, pack of samosa, which has 2 samosas in it, is for 210 rupees. And popcorn is I think basic. जितना होता है उतना ही है popcorn. But you can carry like actual food, and no one's gonna like check your car. So you can carry like McDonald's or KFC or whatever you want. Other than that, I think pretty good. हमारा अभी ये पैक्ट बना है कि we're gonna watch movies here only henceforward. Oh, और कपड़े थोड़े कम कपड़े पहन के आना because it's really hot. Maybe December में नहीं होगा hot, but right now Adi is really enjoying in his sauna. Me too. मैंने भी full flannel shirt पहन के आई हूँ मैं. Big mistake. And we're done. काफी fun. Like the whole experience was fun. Movie, not so much.
Okay. One
time watch. मतलब हमें there were multiple reasons why we didn't love the movie. But ठीक है, one time watch.
But we made a pact to watch this movie.
Yeah,
before the lockdown.
Dude, yeah, pre-COVID. So this movie was supposed to release. COVID हुआ उसके पहले.
March 2019.
बहुत पहले, हाँ. And we had decided कि हम सब साथ में जाके देखेंगे, and we actually did it.
क्योंकि रात night time movies are going to get allowed.
Oh yeah.
From 28th. So we were planning कि 2 बजे का शो जाएंगे सूर्यवंशी का.
और उसके बाद मरीन ड्राइव जाएंगे.
हाँ, पूरा मतलब पूरा.
अभी भी जा सकते हैं वैसे.
पूरा वैसा प्लान था. And then 18th को लॉकडाउन. ये मूवी कुछ 22nd को रिलीज होना था, and 18th को लॉकडाउन हो गया. सब बंद. तो उससे हमने रिज्यूम.
Should we go to Marine Drive अभी? It's only 10.
फिर जाते हैं.
Yeah, okay.
इसी पे जाके बैठेंगे.
वर्ली सी पे.
बात तो वही होता है.
मरीन ड्राइव में जो मजा है वो कहीं और नहीं है. Mumbaikars will relate. We are back at Carter's Blue to have some shawarma. इनका तो already आ गया है shawarma. मेरा बाकी है, but this time we're trying some new stuff. Mansi Mao's recommendation. Like what? Pahadi tikka, Shezwan rice. Yeah, that's what we're having. Hi guys, welcome to the next day. As you can see, we are at the warehouse. Aditya and Shikhar also have been here since morning, na? Nahi, wo abhi aaya. Aditya and Jatin have been here since morning. Basically, today is QC day, quality control day. So that's what we're doing. मैं तो अभी आई. मैं थोड़ा काम कर रही थी घर पे. क्या बोले? फेक
काम कर
रही थी मैं काम.
क्या काम कर रही?
मिस्ट्री बॉक्स बनाया एक.
शॉपिंग.
चुप बैठ. मिस्ट्री बॉक्स बनाया एक, फिर पूरा आगे का स्केड्यूल बनाया, एंड मे बी मैं व्लॉगमस भी कर रही हूँ, उसका प्रेप किया. So packing going on in full force. एकदम proper cycle बना है. I am like arranging all of this in here. Nani is as usual doing क्या? QC. He's the king of QC. Fancy. And then Jatin हवा भर रहा है उसके अंदर. And then Adi is doing taping. And then I'll go and put everything in the bags like so.
Lavish planner.
Thanks. So this is actually a ritual. Nani every year आता है नवंबर दिसंबर में प्लानर का QC करने. Because packing वैकिंग ठीक है, सब कोई भी कर लेता है, but QC has to be done by Nani. It's almost 3 o'clock and it's time to wrap up.
Hi guys.
रात के 3 बजे.
Just done packing and
Yeah.
some QC.
कल भी आना है, पता है ना?
हाँ, अरे बिंदास.
Thanks, Nani, for coming. Good morning, welcome to the next day. So last night we wrapped up at 3. I think I vlogged that. Now I'm going back to the warehouse just to pick up where we left off. So thankfully this year and last year also we do have help. We have had help when it comes to packing, but we are going initially just to kind of clear off the backlog and so that you guys receive your planners as soon as possible. So that's what we're doing right now, and quality control to hum hi karte hain. Like quality control has to be done by us. That is one thing that we cannot like trust anyone else with. So that's what we're doing today as well. Come along. So we're at the warehouse. I got some nariyal pani for the boys and I also fell. चलते कोई था नहीं आजू बाजू, thankfully. And also great day to wear white. Currently I am packing the combos. So there are actually combos available on the website as well. So if you don't want to just buy the planner, you want to buy other things and save more money, that's something that you can definitely do. So currently I'm packing the 2022 planner and the 5-year journal combo. So the price for both of these products is 1499, and when you buy both of these together you save 300 rupees. So definitely something that you can look into if you want to gift someone, or if you just want to buy these things for next year, for the year 2022. This is what the 5-year journal looks like. Basically every single day it has a new question for you and you can answer that, and you can use this journal for 5 years and you can track your progress in life. This is actually our bestseller and my personal favorite product, and this is what our 2022 planner looks like. If you want a detailed flip through, I have made a YouTube video wherein I go through each and every single like page in this planner, so you can definitely look into that. The second combo that we have is that of our 2022 planner along with 3 notebooks. You can buy this combo for 1350, and if you buy both of these products together you will save rupees 200. So this is what our notebooks look like. Again, you can check out the 2022 planner ka detailed video, but these notebooks are very handy. By the way, they are lined notebooks, so you can use these for literally whatever. I personally use this for journaling. Like I use this every day, almost every day I journal in this. And then this one, the pink one, is the one where I write all of my YouTube ideas, and then this is kind of like my listing wala notebook, like wherein I make lists of stuff. So this is how I personally like to use these. For the new year it's great to have some fresh notebooks, or you can give these as gifts as well. Hi vlog, good morning. So today is I think a Saturday or a Friday, irrelevant details. It's my sister's birthday. It's going to be my sister's birthday in 2 or 3 days. Kashish, if you don't know, she's my cousin sister, but she's more like my real sister only. And I want to just like spend a day with her and just like do a little bit of like a special date with her before she leaves to Goa. She's going to Goa for her birthday, so I'm not going to be able to see her on the birthday. So today I've like planned like a cute little date out for her, and yeah, I just thought I should vlog it. I'm actually gonna ask her if she wants me to vlog it. If she says yes, then I'll post it. If not, then you guys probably won't even see this vlog. But yeah, so I've reached Bandra, but I'm trying to find some flowers because I want to meet her and greet her with some flowers. I think we should be able to find it. Bandra mein usually there are like lots of flower gardens. What's up? So I have a gift for you.
हमेशा से चाहिए था कोई मुझे flowers दे.
Oh. So she doesn't know where we're going. She'll know soon. How do you like the surprise number 1?
What? What is number 1?
This is top number 1. Look at her new hair, guys. Tell her how pretty she looks. Also, she got her lashes done, and your nails also. Show your nails. How was top number 1?
Amazing. Very cute.
Very cute, yeah. The food was also nice.
Yeah, the food was good, the ambience was good, especially the cutlery.
Yeah. The plates. Very cute, yeah. Okay. Surprise number 2 is, are you ready? Yeah. We're going to Hill Road for an unlimited shopping spree. We're back. We're done with our shopping. We're sitting in Tea Villa Cafe because बहुत गर्मी है and mask पहन के थोड़ा सा suffocation हो रहा है. So, do you want to show them a few things that you got? Your faves.
Mridul ka pink obviously.
और कशिश का yellow. Very like apt for your personality, yellow. This is also so fun. Very colorful, Garfield full. So I got some hot tea on a hot day because my throat can't handle cold stuff. And then Kashish got a yummy iced tea जो मुझे देख के काफी जलन हो रही है. While we have our drinks, do you want to know where we're going next? Okay, so what we're doing next is we're going for a foot massage. But it's not a regular foot massage. So I found this place in Bandra only where visually impaired people give foot massages. Yeah, everyone. So I thought it would be a nice thing to go and support, right? So that's what we're doing next. Just got done with our massages. I'm removing the mask because no one's around. I couldn't vlog inside. मुझे लगा मैं कर पाऊँगी, but it was pitch black, like पूरा अंधेरा था. And how was your massage? Tell me.
It was good, and actually massage se zyada concept is very
Nice. True. My guy who got it done, who got like who did the massage,
did it for you.
Yeah, this one, Kamlesh, he was fab. It was so good, and especially end में जब वो hot towel से
इतना मस्त था,
बहुत मस्त था. तो when you enter, it's pitch black. So मुझे actually थोड़ा मेरा antenna खड़ा हो गया. I was feeling a little bit creepy लगा, but it's completely safe. If you're a girl who's going, maybe get a friend along to like feel safe. Yeah, don't go.
Like it's not unsafe, but you will feel
More. You'll feel very comfortable if someone's there with you. Also, this is Kashish's OOTD, and we've like kind of twinned.
like coincidence.
Coincidentally.
बहुत similar नहीं है, but काफी same.
And then the white thing.
And then the tote bag.
Kashish has cracked the last surprise, which was to go and see the sunset. How predictable am I?
No, because तूने ऐसा plan किया है पूरा जो हम हमेशा करते हैं. Like
True, that is
we used
true.
to do pre-COVID.
Pre-COVID. True. So, she thought कि Carter's पे we'll sit and watch the sunset, but we are going to Bandra Fort.
Oh, I've never been there.
What are you saying? It used to be like my thing when I was in college. It's so beautiful. तो हमारा थोड़ा सा पचका हो गया.
Plan flop हो गया.
The guy thought that we want to go to
Bandra
Court instead of Fort. So हमारा literally 15-20 मिनट waste हो गया and sun already set हो गया. So we were like might as well just come and sit on Carter Road.
We did see the sunset.
Oh, and it was so beautiful. The sunset was amazing.
और regret हुआ कि फोर्ट से देखते तो कितना
beautiful होता. I mean Carter Road is also pretty. Like as you can see, it's very nice, very pretty. But Fort is a different thing altogether.
And the sunset, especially today, was so pretty.
Very beautiful. Very nice.
इतना beautiful हो रहा था ना.
बहुत सुंदर हो रहा था. I have one more gift for you. आग बंद करना.
मेरे पर्स में 10 पड़े, पता है तुझे? पर्स लाई नहीं.
Just kidding.
जलजीरा ना कहीं मिलता नहीं.
I know, this is the best जलजीरा ever.
हर जगह मिलता नहीं. तो
नहीं
मैं
मिलता.
एक ढाबे पे गई थी. तो मैंने 15 लेके रखी.
मैंने भी कल 10 लिए. I'm home and I just wanted to end the vlog right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this week in my life. I'm going to continue vlogging my life because there's a lot happening and I hope you guys enjoy. Till then, subscribe, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!